In this video, I'll break down the top 5 smartphone gimbals, and which smartphone gimbal I found to be the best. I'll go in descending order starting with the 5th ranked pick, and at the end of the video, you'll find out which one, in my opinion, is the best smartphone gimbal and ranked at number 1. If you're wanting to check prices of each of the products, check out the links in the description as I've linked to each of the products mentioned. At number 5, we have the DJI Osmo Mobile SE. This is our 5th ranked pick, but is still a great choice for those on a budget. It stands out for its lightweight, foldable design and magnetic quick-release system, making it incredibly portable and easy to set up. Its 3-axis stabilization ensures smooth, shake-free footage even during dynamic movement, while the high-torque brushless motor compensates for shifts with precision. The Active Track 5.0 feature excels at keeping subjects in focus, even in crowded or fast-paced environments, and can quickly resume tracking if the subject re-enters the frame. Switching between horizontal and vertical modes is seamless with a single button press, and the built-in status panel simplifies mode selection and battery monitoring. The gimbal supports creative modes like time-lapse, motion-lapse, and hyperlapse, with templates available in the DJI Mimo app for effortless editing. With a battery life of up to 8 hours and intuitive controls, the Osmo Mobile SE is a versatile tool for creating professional-quality smartphone videos. At number 4, we have the Hohem iSteady M7. The iSteady M7 stands out as a versatile smartphone gimbal with advanced features that cater to both casual creators and professionals. Its detachable 1.4-inch touchscreen remote allows for real-time preview and wireless control, making framing and adjustments seamless even when away from the gimbal. The built-in AI tracker operates independently of apps, enabling precise subject tracking across various scenarios, including live streaming and high-speed movements. This feature is complemented by a robust stabilization algorithm, ensuring smooth footage even during dynamic activities like running. The iSteady M7 offers 360-degree infinite pan rotation and a 325-degree tilt range, unlocking creative possibilities for diverse shots. Its extendable rod adds flexibility for aerial views or low angles. With a payload capacity of up to 500 grams, it accommodates larger phones and accessories like microphones or lights. Additional highlights include RGB and CCT fill lights for customizable illumination and a 12-hour battery life with reverse charging capability. At number 3, we have the ZHIYUN Smooth 5 SAI Pro. The Smooth 5 SAI Pro excels with its professional-grade stabilization, powered by advanced algorithms and high-torque motors, delivering cinematic smoothness for mobile videography. Its orthogonal 3-axis structure allows unrestricted 360-degree rotation, enabling dynamic movements like low-to-high angle transitions and immersive vortex mode effects. The built-in fill light, peaking at 650 lux, can be enhanced with 2 additional magnetic lights to achieve an impressive 2040 lux, rivaling professional setups. The standout feature is the magnetic AI tracker, which offers gesture-based control for functions like object tracking and start/stop recording. This tracker is precise and responsive, making it ideal for solo creators or vloggers. The gimbal also integrates seamlessly with the ZHIYUN app, offering intelligent shooting modes and video templates for streamlined production. With robust build quality, intuitive controls including a joystick and full key panel, and up to 26 hours of battery life in standby mode, the Smooth 5 SAI Pro is a versatile tool for both amateurs and professionals seeking polished smartphone filmmaking. At number 2, we have the Insta360 Flow 2 Pro. This is our runner-up pick and impresses with its advanced stabilization and innovative features, making it a standout smartphone gimbal. Its 3-axis stabilization ensures smooth cinematic footage even during dynamic movements like walking or jogging. The upgraded Deep Track 4.0 AI tracking excels in subject recognition, offering multi-person tracking and active zoom tracking with up to 15 times zoom while maintaining focus. This makes it ideal for fast-paced scenarios or group shots. The design improvements are equally noteworthy. A sturdier build, reinforced tripod legs, and an ergonomic anti-slip grip enhance durability and ease of use. The gimbal also introduces free tilt mode for creative angles, a built-in selfie mirror for better framing with rear cameras, and a hidden extension rod for versatile shooting perspectives. Its integration with Apple Dock Kit allows seamless tracking in iPhone's native camera app and over 200 third-party apps, while the Insta360 app unlocks features like Pro Framing Grid and teleprompter mode. Battery life remains strong at 10 hours, with the added ability to charge your phone during use. The Flow 2 Pro supports Dolby Vision and Apple ProRes for HDR video, elevating visual quality. At number 1, we have the DJI Osmo Mobile 6. This is the best smartphone gimbal you can buy on the market and stands out for its exceptional stabilization, offering smooth, shake-free footage with its advanced 3-axis motor system. It's designed to enhance smartphone videography, making it a versatile tool for creators of all skill levels. The gimbal's compact and foldable design ensures portability, while the quick launch feature powers it on automatically when unfolded, making it ideal for capturing moments on the go. ActiveTrack 6.0 is a highlight, delivering precise subject tracking even during fast or complex movements. This feature is invaluable for solo creators or vloggers, as it keeps the subject centered in the frame effortlessly. The built-in telescoping extension rod adds flexibility, enabling dynamic angles and creative compositions without additional equipment. The ergonomic handle and intuitive controls make operation straightforward. A new zoom and focus wheel allows for smooth adjustments, while dedicated buttons enable quick mode changes and camera orientation swaps between portrait and landscape. The DJI Mimo app further enhances usability with tutorials, shot guides, and one-tap editing options. Performance-wise, the Osmo Mobile 6 excels in stabilizing footage during walking, running, or even more aggressive movements. Its robust build supports larger smartphones securely, and the magnetic clamp simplifies setup. So that sums up my top 5 smartphone gimbals I hope you enjoyed. Remember, you can find prices of the products in the description and comments, so make sure you check those out. Until next time, have a great day.